Hey Earhart students, hope you're having a great day. Later on today we're going to be doing a crisis drill, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about what to expect as we have this drill this afternoon. One of the things that is important to us at our school is student safety, and so what we're going to be practicing today is just a student safety exercise in the event that we needed to lock our doors so somebody that was maybe not supposed to be in our building didn't get in our building and couldn't do any harm to us. There's no reason to be nervous about this drill. There's not going to be any loud noises. It's just going to be a little simulation that we do. So you just need to relax. There's no bad people trying to get in, no strangers. It's just a chance for us to practice and have a discussion about what it will look like when we need to do a student safety drill or crisis intervention to help us make sure that we're all staying safe. The most important thing that I need to make sure that you all do is when you hear the call for our building to secure and lock down, that everybody immediately gets quiet and you're listening to your teacher. Your teacher knows what to do, and their job is to help keep you safe, but you need to be an active listener and follow directions exactly how they say, because this is a very important time for us to practice, just in case we ever need to do this for real. Over the next month or so, we're going to practice a few different scenarios, but today is mostly just going to be a practice and discussion about what to expect if we ever need to secure and lock our buildings. So here's what's going to happen. Later on today, you're going to hear an announcement that says, Amelia Earhart Elementary students and staff, please lock down and secure the building. When you hear that, that means we're getting ready to lock all of our doors, and we need to give our undivided attention to the teachers in the classroom. No talking, you're just listening. Today, your teachers are going to lock the door. They're going to turn the lights off, and you're going to practice hiding in your room. And I'm going to pretend that I'm coming around and I'm going to check your doors to make sure that I can't get in. So if you were pretending that I was a bad guy, we're practicing hiding and locking the door. And you're going to hear me jiggle the doorknob, but don't get scared. I'm just making sure that we're locked, okay? Secondly, I don't want to hear you. If no one thinks you're in there, they wouldn't come in your room. So we want to hear very quiet classrooms, and the doors are going to be locked. Shortly after I check all the rooms, your teachers are going to have a conversation about a scenario and what you would need to do as a class. Again, you need to be listening very carefully to the directions from your teacher and also engage in the conversation about the scenario and how we would respond. In the upcoming weeks, we'll talk about what to do if you hear lock down and secure the building, if you are in the cafeteria or you were out of the classroom, or if you were in PE or music and you weren't in your regular classroom. We'll give directions on how you would respond, but for today, we're practicing locking our classrooms, listening to the teacher, and understanding that when you hear lock down and secure the building, we are going to be locking down the building so that nobody can get in, and we're going to make sure that everybody is safe. A few other things that I want you to remember is this. Anybody who needs to get into our building has a key, and anybody who doesn't have a key needs to go through the front office to check in. So don't ever let anybody into our building unless it's your teacher. Don't let them in, even if they're saying, hey, let me in. We're not letting people in. If they need to get in our building, they have a key. Otherwise, they've got to go through the front office. Next, if you ever hear anybody say that they want to hurt people at our school or want to come into our school and hurt others, I need you to do this. I need you to let an adult know at home, but also let an adult know at school so we can help keep everybody safe. Last, don't forget that this is just a drill today. We're just practicing, so there's no reason to get scared. We're just practicing, and I need you to make sure that you're being a great listener and following directions of your teacher the whole time during the drill. When the drill is over, you will hear me say, Earhart, we're all clear. Have a great rest of the day. Great job, and we'll go along with the rest of our day. Now you might be wondering, what kind of reason why would we have to shut down our school and lock our doors? Well, mostly we're just doing it to make sure we're safe, but here's a couple of examples. Let's say somebody steals a car in Wichita, and they're driving down the street and the police are chasing them, and they get in a wreck across the street. They might be afraid to get in trouble, so they take off running, and they might try to get in our building. So sometimes the police say, hey, make sure that you lock your doors. They call us and tell us lock your doors just in case somebody were to try to get in, or if they were to, I don't know, rob a bank in town and they're running from the cops and they're trying to hide. They might try to come in our school. The police talk to us on radios. We take response and we shut down the building so they can't get in. And at last, we just want to make sure that no one that we don't know is getting into our building. So again, today we're going to have a little scenario that you'll talk about with your classmates. There's no reason to be worried. Just have a great day. Listen to your teachers. And when you hear the sound, ladies and gentlemen, it's the lockdown and secure the building. Amelia Earhart, lockdown and secure the building. You know what's happening. I'll see you around the hallways today, and thanks for your help. Have a great day.